Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This week I'm doing another sculpture video, and I'm gonna edit. I mean, I've edited it already, but I edited it a little differently. Instead of having the whole thing just sped up, because half the time I'm like off camera and just you can't see anything. I don't know, which did happen a lot in this recording. So I really wanted to sit and try something new. Which is like, you know, just cutting the boring bits out and keeping only the good ones. But I was off camera so much that wasn't really left with that much footage. But I still really like how the sculpture turned out, and I don't know, the lighting was nice. You know, if you watched my video on Sunday, you'll know I like kind of screwed up the settings for that one. But I feel like I got them right this time, and I don't know. But yeah, this is just a little Lugia sculpture. I ordered some quartz points, like just cheapy quality ones, off Etsy, and I also got some mylar flakes because I saw a guy on DeviantArt using mylar flakes in their sculptures. Yeah, I had bought also sparkly clay. I mentioned in the last video as well. I made the base out of that, so it's a little glittery. It's a nice subtle touch. What was I gonna say? Oh my god, I had a comment. I don't know, I guess it'll come back to me later. But yeah, this one was really fun, mostly because I got to use those quartz crystals, and I never thought I'd be like in a position where I'm buying these nice things and just kind of stabbing them into my sculptures, because I think they're alright enough to have, you know, quartz in them, I guess. I don't know, it's like a weird mental block thing. Like, why would I want to buy myself this pricey stuff if I can't use it right? I don't know. But yeah, I don't know, it's just very fun. It was a nice, satisfying thing. I'm rewatching the video as I'm voicing this over, and I don't know, I think I did okay. I think it's decent enough to follow. I know I missed some bits in the beginning, because towards the beginning I was having a really hard time remembering to keep myself on like in view of the camera. But yeah, I don't know. I think like I've been doing some quote-unquote studying, I guess, and if there's one thing I've noticed, is that like people don't necessarily work like the spikies on Lugia's back. Like, people don't like take the time to like smooth them out, and I think that looks a lot better than like overworking them like I have been. So while I was making this, I was really trying to like know when to stop. I guess it's just a nice thing to know. I think I've mentioned this before, because someone had like complimented how nice and fluid my art looks, and like how I can leave it be sketchy and still have it be done. But that's just a matter of like, you know, just knowing when to stop, knowing when to be like, alright, I'm done. So yeah, I think that's a fun improvement. And I think the other thing that I really wanted to try and improve in terms of like my filming setup, I guess, is I think that the overhead shot really isn't ideal for the sculptures. I mean, I guess I kind of knew from the beginning that that's kind of a weird angle, but I don't know, I just kind of wanted to give it a good try before scrapping it. I mean, you can kind of see what's going on, but it's not like real easy. So yeah, but I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Like, what am I gonna have, like 25 webcams, like, because I can't really move this one. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. We went to an animal show this weekend, and it was so nice. There's like this pretty nice reptile zoo in my city. It's a little Ray's reptile nature center. It used to be a reptile thing, but now it's like a whole nature thing. Yeah, they had like a big expo, and they did a lot of, it was like back-to-back presentations, because like I love their zoo, but the thing that I love the most is that they're so, like, they're a smaller thing, and they're a rescue, so like they'll do presentations and there's not that many people, and you get to like touch the snakes and stuff, but like the shows aren't back-to-back, but they were at this show, so we got to just like sit there and listen to a bunch of fun stuff. And yeah, they had a baby sloth, a two-toed sloth, and it was so cute. yeah, and links and just a lot of things and these little tiny ceramic chickens. I've been like really into homesteading videos, like White House on the Hill and what's that other? Oh my god, I really want to remember. Living Traditions Homestead. Those two are my favorites. I don't know. They have chickens and like animals and stuff, and I guess that's more so White House on the Hill. But like, I've been watching them so long. I don't know. I think chickens are really cute, and like the whole egg laying, like your chicken's legs, and then you eat the fresh eggs, and like you get to take care of your chicken, and you know it's a good time. But yeah, they had these little ceramic chickens, and it was adorable. But yeah, I guess I'll end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys on Sunday.